Tonight, Stoneham police are sending out a warning about the so-called senior assassin game. On Monday, police raced to a home for reports of a person with a gun ready to ambush someone. But it turns out it was just part of a game that some high school seniors play before graduation. WBZ's Kristina Rex is live for us in Stoneham tonight. And Kristina, police want everyone to know this game can be real dangerous.
Yeah, David, this isn't the first time that senior assassin has caused some real confusion. Stoneham police actually had to put out a similar warning this time last year as well. And they're asking students to please use water guns that clearly look like toys to avoid a mishap that happened earlier this week.
I have a gentleman outside of my house hiding with a gun. Looks like he's about to ambush somebody. I need somebody to come right away.
It came in as a terrifying 911 call. A witness reporting a man with a gun ready to ambush someone on Jerry Street in Stoneham Monday morning.
He's got a black hoodie on. He's got a gun in his right hand. He's got gray sweatpants.
Police responded shortly after 7 a.m. and placed the man in cuffs.
All right, lay on your face. Yep, lay on your face. Put your hands behind your back.
But what did they discover? He's a Stoneham High senior, and the pistol-looking gun was really a water gun.
It's a senior assassin water gun.
Senior assassin. Students tell WBZ the game started last week. How it works?
Basically, everybody gets a target, and you have to get them, but no one knows who has you. And you just keep playing until there's one person left, and whoever wins all the money that gets put into the game.
Nearly 80 kids are playing, and the pot is about $800. Students wait for their targets and hit them with water guns, all off school property. Senior Sophia Blessing got her target this morning.
This morning I went and I hid in the bush near her house, near her car, so I could get her before she got to her car.
But now Stoneham police are warning of the real dangers the game could pose, like it did here when a neighbor innocently assumed this student had a real gun.
We get a call, a guy with a gun hiding in the bushes, and they said that the guy seemed crazy.
Other neighbors are just grateful it's all a game.
Thank God, because if there was a real gun, I don't know what I'd do.
The student didn't get in any real trouble. In fact, when he called his mom, she wanted to know how the game went.
Did you get it? I got called by the cops.
And that senior from Stoneham High who I interviewed in that story, she told me she's happy that Stoneham police now know that students are playing senior assassin, and perhaps they can be more aware that there are water guns and not something more nefarious going on. On the flip side, the Stoneham police chief says, let this incident be a lesson to make sure you're playing safely and that your water guns really look like toys. Live in Stoneham, Kristina Rex, WBZ News.
Good advice. Kristina, thank you.